I know some people would be like, oh God, send it back. Hey humans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this ho. Today is the day, girl. Did you mark it on your calendar? You're here. Okay, this is happening. I have a huge box in front of me. It is our mystery box collab. Now, this video is with Autumn Beckman, who is luxurious on a budget, and also James Jam. This is Jane. That's her jam. Also, Dawn of Dawn Loves Couture, Yota of Yota Style, and Eva from Fuchsia Floyd's channel. So I hope I got everyone in there. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think I did. Here we go, guys. Autumn's latest obsession has now become all of our latest obsessions with handbags. This is good though, because I got this mystery box which should contain 3 bags and like 8 SLGs. Don't know what's in here yet. I have to open it up and we'll see it together. But yeah, it's from Portland Leather Company, right? I think I'm saying it right. I don't know anything about just what, you know, I've seen on other channels, but I've never owned anything from them. So I'm very, very excited to get into this box. I'm just tickled pink. So from what I can see, everybody else unboxing looking good. And like I said, I mean, less than $400. I got 3 bags and 8 SLGs. You can't even buy a Louis Vuitton SLG not one for less than $400. So here we go. Okay, here's the box. Oh, yes, I know, huge. Well, I mean, I told you what all's in there, girl. Okay, here we go. We are just gonna start off with this. Oh, they wrap it up nice. Okay. It is a bag. It's a tote. Well, I knew it was going to be a tote because it's 3 tote bags and 8 SLGs, what the mystery box description said. How stinking cute is this? Okay, so this is kind of giving me, it feels all leather, but it kind of looks, can you see? It looks like it's kind of suede. It's like got a distressed kind of green on it. Yes. It's Portland Leather Goods, by the way. I said it wrong. Y'all knew I would screw it up. So is there stuff in here? Yes, this is a cute bag. It's just the right size. I love. Okay, here are some SLGs. I don't know if there's 1 or 2 or if they do that. Maybe they put some in every bag. Oh girl, I dropped one. Ah, that's so unlike me. I dropped 2. What the F? Okay, so there's 4 in this particular bag. 4 SLGs came inside of there. That sounded dirty. Oh my God, I'm not gonna, don't worry, but do your own joke right there. Go ahead now. Right? That's what she said. Okay. Okay. We're not losing it, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. Very cute. A little brown. I don't know what this color is, but a brown card holder. Mmm, smells delicious. It's got a little scratch on the back. But I mean, you know, leather is bound to get scratched and beat up. So I'm not worried about that. I know some people would be like, oh God, send it back. Ah! No. Sometimes I'm like that, but most of the time I'm cool with it. A tassel. I guess this is a little bag charm. That is so cute. Or a little, it could be a keychain, guys. I don't know how you would loop. Oh, yeah. I guess you would loop it like on the end of one of your little straps or something. Okay, girl, all right. Got that. Yeah. What is this? It's round and, oh, so fat. It's a pink sausage. No, it's actually like a little, maybe like a pencil case or something. How cute is that? Oh God, the leather smell though is knocking me over. Super cute. Okay, I love that. And then of course the back is just the raw leather. Let me some raw leather. And then this piece feels like some kind of envelope pouch. Oh wait, there's some cardboard on it. Oh, okay, it is. It's a little like carry in, like grab your stuff. It kind of reminds me of a Neverfull pouch, so very good in your bag. I mean, I think this is like cash and cards. That's what I would put in here. But yes, okay. I love. Wonder if I'll get anything this color or these colors. Okay, so I got the green bag and so far I've gotten 4. So half of my SLGs. Let's do a thumbnail. Oh, we can't do a thumbnail because I want this to be a surprise. Okay. Maybe Swan can do the thumbnail and then cover up the stuff. Would that be too much work? Hopefully he got that. I love it when he does the thumbnails. Basically because it's not something that I know how to do. I'm always impressed when people can do some stuff I can't. Okay, so this one feels heavy. I'm wondering how many SLGs are in what? Yeah, this one definitely has something in it because this bag is much, much lighter, but I could be wrong. Oh my God, the leather smell. Okay. Okay, girl, come through. Yes, this is like a chocolatey brown. I do love this. It's kind of got a sheen to it too. Yes, girl, I'm about this. And they all come with, so far, a crossbody strap if you want to crossbody them, which is probably what I will do. I might go into one of these right now. Oh my God, I love. Everything inside looks so good. It smells heavenly. I love the smell of leather. I just love a leathery smell. I don't know why. Well, you guys probably know why. Okay, this leather, it's coming out of the bag, but here's my third and final bag. This leather feels, oh yeah, and I love this purple too. So this leather feels like soft and pliable, a little different than the stiff. And normally, you know, we love something stiff, girl. I could not pass it up, guys. I'm gonna put this box down. But I love this purple. Y'all know that was one of my mom's favorite colors, that and aqua. She called aqua. But yeah, she loved purple in any way. So I'm probably gonna put my stuff in this one. I love it. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Wow. So the SLGs are in this bag. Okay. We're gonna do a quick bag switch here in a minute. Wow, they wrap it up good. I don't want to drop something. So I already got 4, so I'm missing 4 more, right? Okay, let's just start at the top. This is so fun, a mystery. Feels like eyeglasses. Oh yeah, eyeglass case. Okay, and it's a different green. Look at the 2 rivets on the bottom. Oh wow, this is a nice one. I don't tend to use these as much. This might be something that I trade around with the gals. If I wear sunglasses, I have to wear the old lady kind that go over my glasses because I just can't be bothered to pull off regular glasses, stick them in something and put on. So this is just easier for me. So I probably wouldn't use this as much. Just trying to be honest, but yeah, I might sell that or trade it off to one of the gals. Maybe they want it. I don't know. Maybe my kids. The leather is, ooh, intoxicating. Oh, okay. Look at this. Vachetta. Oh, I love this Vachetta. Very cute. Oh, wow. It's like a Kirigami looking pouch, but look inside. It's got 2 pouches for like cards, one in the front, one in the main compartment. So yeah, that's kind of cute. I like that. I'm definitely going to use this. I'll keep this for sure. And it matches sort of my other little card holder thing. Okay. Come through, Portland leather. Okay, this is it looks like a long wallet. Yeah, it is. It's a long wallet. And does it match? No, it's different. Oh, God, they have so many colors. But this is slightly a different green than the bag that I got. But I love how they cut that on like a angle. It's kind of cute. I don't know, that must be their signature. But yeah, long wallet. I'm not sure that I'd use a long wallet, but I got it and you know, who knows. It's got 3 card slots up here. It's got a big pocket here and it's got like a cash slot here. So okay, and for those of you who still write checks, could be a checkbook holder, I don't know. So come through. I actually love this Portland leather goods. Thank you. Ooh, it's like Christmas. I love a good mystery, girl. Except, okay, never mind. Here we go. The last SLG from my mystery box. The last item too. Okay, it is a cosmetic pouch. Very cute, and I definitely will use this. I do like that. That's amazing. It's like a peachy color. So yes, a very good, and they use, I thought Autumn was saying they use those really nice zippers. They do. Their zippers are good. Let's see. So I love this haul. I don't know, I'm just into it. So you could top handle the totes or you can crossbody them because this has a long enough strap on. Oh girl, yes. I do love it. I think these are sweeping the nation. I mean, you see stuff go on their site for sale and then poof, before you can even add it to your cart and she's gone. So this is kind of a cult following so far. I think this thing is like really blowing up. Everything looks good. Oh, it's got a zipper. I was wondering how to keep my tote closed. She should have thought of that 35 years ago. But anyhow, yes, girl. Here's, yes, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do at the end of the video, I'm gonna do a bag swap. I'll show you my bag of the day, which you guys already probably know. Inside is a cool little pocket right here, and then that pocket comes out. It's all leather too. It's got their Portland leather goods stamp on it. It's got 3 little trees, handmade. Ooh, I love. I'm over here like, ooh, girl, I feel like I just opened an Hermes bag. I really do. It is nice. You can tell it's substantial. I mean, the leather. This purple one's my favorite. I love it. Okay. All right. So hopefully you'll go over and you'll watch all the other gals. I will link them down below. Their actual videos with a link, so you can just carry yourself over there and watch and see what they got. Maybe they got some stuff that I want to trade around. We might do that. The possibilities are endless. I can neither confirm or deny that I went on there again and ordered a smaller mystery box. The idea of opening a mystery box is just fun. You gotta admit, when you don't know what's in there, it's like Christmas. All right, guys, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like, comment down below, tell me how you feel about this company. I am on board. Totally affordable, totally handmade, and made from really nice leather and great colors too. I won't lie, I was hoping I would get an agenda. They have little agendas, although I never really use the agendas that I have, so what is she thinking? It's always something. All right, do me a favor, guys. If y'all see my husband, girl, woo-hoo-hoo, don't tell him nothing. Bye. I am definitely going to swap out. So y'all know I've been carrying the Beast. That's what I call this one, the Beast, because it's just so torn up and you know, schmutzy. Okay, here we go. Perfect example. Agenda. Never use it, but it's there. I got it. My Marie wallet that was sent to me by a sweetheart. You know who you are, Miss M. Devin, you know who you are, that gave me this fancy dancy thing for Christmas. I love you. Okay. And let's see, my flossers, because we can't go anywhere. If we're in a big bag, we have to have flossers. We also have to have Altoids. I'm kind of addicted now that I'm on this NASH diet or whatever, just eating plants and stuff. I find this is a little treat throughout the day if I need just a little something. So I've always been hooked on curiously strong Altoids. But let's see what else. Oh girl, my Hermes. Is this called the Bastia? Yep. And Mama's Little Helpers. My little Isaac Mizrahi, $3.99 at Marshall's. I've had it for years. Love it. And let's see. My clay. Boom. And I think that's it, basically. Oh, I have some hand sani. I don't want to ruin this bag, so I'm not going to put that hand sani in there. I'm kind of scared. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have. Oh, girl, she's so good. She's so freaking good. Okay, I love. So you can shoulder carry or crossbody, and y'all know I might do a crossbody moment on this. Oh, I love how the leather is just like very pliable and not too stiff. Although, you know, I've said it once, I've said it twice, I've said it 250 times. Stiff is where I live usually. But anyhow, okay, here we go. Girl, is my camera dying? I hope not. I want to get this one last shot in. Okay, come through. Oh, it hits me in the right spot. Ooh, girl. Yes! Thank you, Autumn, for turning me on to this. I love it. Yes! Girl, what? This is a home run. A mother effing home run. Biatch.